KG weather overview, and here it is. As of March 13th, the snow totals across the eastern part of the United States, with good old Caribou, Maine coming in with 109 inches of snow for the season. The king, Caribou is king for winter 21-22, barring a major pattern change, which I don't think we're going to see. I think we're just in typical spring mode. And we've got some typical Irish weather for St. Patrick's Day tomorrow, as a weak storm system is kind of just swirling around the southeast, and it's going to make its way up the coast, and we're going to get clipped with some rain for St. Patty's Day. So we've strung together some couple nice days in a row, and now we've got this batch of moisture headed our way, it looks like. Now, this is off the NAM model. It's around noontime when the rain begins to affect the area. This is the way the model sees it anyway. And you can see it's just light to moderate rain. It just kind of hangs on, especially along the coast. Areas up the Mid-Hudson Valley may not see it drop, but plenty of cloud cover anyway. And then that gets off the playing field. So late tomorrow night, we'll see that area of light rain and drizzle just start to wind down. But nothing that, that wouldn't do the Emerald Isle proud, I guess. I guess that's one way of looking at it. And then Friday, we warm up. And then another weak storm system moves through, but it'll start by about Saturday afternoon. So Friday looks like a very good day. Saturday, if you want to get anything done and avoid rain, it's good to do it in the morning. But even here, Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, not a whole heck of a lot of rain to speak of. Just kind of a dreary weather pattern where we get rid of this front. And then Sunday, it gets breezy and cooler, but the rain is long gone. And then early next week, another disturbance tries to move through, but it doesn't get here until about Tuesday afternoon. So Monday should be fair skies, temperatures around 60, and then arriving clouds Tuesday into Tuesday night. Rain moves in Wednesday, and this looks like another cold, dreary rain. And this might be the heaviest of the bunch because it kind of persists a little bit. And then by Thursday, we have only leftover showers, but slow improvement. So it's a back and forth weather pattern, very typical of spring around here. And when you look at the temperatures, it's even more indicative of spring as, the further inland you go, the warmer you get. But for tomorrow, it's only around 55 on St. Patty's Day. And then Friday, lots of sun, and it goes right back up. I mean, that warm March sun really does its thing. And then Saturday, a little bit of a setback. Arriving clouds with light rain again in the afternoon. But Friday's dry. Friday night looks good. And then Sunday, breezy and cooler as the rain exits stage right. And then Monday, highs around 60 and dry in and around the city, 50s elsewhere. But it's typical spring, and we are looking for, it looks like, just a repeat of the pattern over the next 7 days. Doesn't look like a lot of snow, if at all, across the northeast part of the United States, and certainly not towards the coast. So, hope spring's eternal, and it looks like winter 21-22 is on the way out the door, but never can tell in spring, but for odds are right now that we're looking at the last of the wintry weather and more typical of spring, especially the next 7-10 days.